What's up, everybody? And we are back today for another exciting episode of Bobby G's Corner. And the case we're looking at today is part of that Spigen series that we've been working on lately. And this is going to be the Ultra Hybrid case in the Neo 1 Ultra Hybrid case. So it's got the one that's got all that fancy print on the back. So you guys can see right here, what we're going to do is we're going to take it out, try it on, take a look around, weigh it, the whole 9 yards, get you guys the information you need to make yourselves an educated decision. All right, here we've got the case in all of its glory right here, the Ultra Hybrid case, the Neo 1. So if you do me a favor, if you want to check out the other Ultra Hybrid cases that I've covered in this series so far, I'll link the videos somewhere around up here so you guys can check them out to see which one is going to fit your taste the best. But let's look at this Neo 1. So if you buy the Neo 1, you're buying it because you want this digital print design on the back that you guys can see. This is why you buy this specific case, and it does not disappoint. It is going to be slightly textured to highlight all those different circuit boards that are shown on the back. So it is textured. It's got some smooth areas and some raised areas, so that's pretty good. On the bottom, you are going to have these raised corners down here for that back down protection. Then you're going to have this raised camera plateau, this fully covered plateau right here at the top with a slightly raised lip that goes all the way around. Again, it's gonna, we'll get into that when we get to that. Okay, I'm not getting too far ahead of myself. I'm not gonna give it all away right now. Then at the bottom, you can see you're gonna have your symmetrical cutouts for your speaker and microphone, USB-C opening. Right side, you are gonna have that covered camera control button. Spigen's doing it right on all their cases this year so far that I've tried, so kudos there. Then you're gonna have that lanyard area right here, your power button, and all these cases that I've tried so far have the power button built into this TPU material, so they're not separate pieces. Other side, action, volume up, volume down. Inside of this case, more of that textured feeling, right? So the textured raised areas to signify the circuit boards and magnets and all that good stuff. Then you've got those air cushion corners inside for that fall protection. So let me show you on the left-hand side, if you guys can see it on the camera really good. You're gonna have that minimal Spigen branding. So let's go ahead and bring out a scale and see how much this case is going to weigh. So we starting off at 0. This case is going to weigh 40 grams to your overall weight. So the iPhone 17 Pro Max, mine weighs 245 grams. Plus this case, we're looking at, what is that, y'all? 285? So 285 grams, so under 300 grams. So it's a pretty light case. Maybe you're not interested in the weight. Maybe you want to know, hey, Bobby, how much heft is this adding to my phone? So let's go ahead and bring in our caliper. Let's try our best to measure just the sides, even though we're probably going to get a little bit of that lip in there. So this is going to be basically in line with the other Ultra Hybrid case. So we're adding about 3.18 or 3 millimeters to the bulk of your phone. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get our white gloves, get suited and booted, put on this case, take another look at it. All right, so now that we've got the case on the phone, let's go ahead and take our second look around. So remember, you're gonna have that even raised lip all the way around for that face down protection. I've got a screen protector, y'all, and I'm not worried about it. It's gonna have really good face down protection. Then on the back, raised corners for that back down protection. I'm just gonna tell you guys, for the camera plateau, even though it is fully covered, the camera bumps are gonna poke up above this coverage part in the middle, but the camera bumps are gonna be below this outer raised lip. So that's gonna give you that back down protection with the bottom as well. So no issues, no frills on that. Let's bring it in and listen to our buttons, and you guys tell me what you think about that tactile sound. Action button. Volume up. volume down, power button, and then our camera control button. You guys can see right here that camera control button works really good. So let's go ahead and take it through our suite of tests from the Bobby G channel, starting off first with our Ozempic USB-C Apple charger. And I keep using that term because if you know, you know. Let's go ahead and bring in our charger, plug it in the bottom. Très magnifique. So USB-C Apple size, gonna fit without an issue. Let's say maybe you ate a little bit extra turkey this year. You need a little bit more room to grow, okay? Not a problem, because I'm happy to report that I think this USB-C on the heftier side is gonna fit inside of this Spigen case without an issue. So if you got a bigger USB-C charger, smaller USB charger, no matter what, it's gonna fit inside of that. Maybe you're a MagSafe person though. Well, let's go ahead and check that out. MagSafe is probably my favorite test when it comes to chargers, because I feel like you get that really satisfying snap on the back, and then that charging notification animation is like legit. I'm not really sure why they don't make a better animation for the USB-C charger. But you guys on the side, I'm gonna give you some too, okay? So let me hold the phone. A little bit more difficult, but bring the phone like that. Satisfying. Okay, so did our chargers, everything fits good, smells good, sounds good, tastes good on that side. Let's go ahead and bring in our Camolo piece right here. Slap it on the back, and then give it our Bobby G patented shake and bake test. So let's go ahead and you guys can see I'm shaking it hard and it's not going nowhere. Top down. You guys can see we're shaking the HE you know what out of it, and it's not going nowhere. So this is something I want to bring up, guys, because again, a video, somebody asked me, hey, the buttons, are they going to be rattling or shaky? The good thing about these cases with the buttons that are built in, you don't have to worry about that. So I think that's it, guys. We went through, we did the USB-C test, we did the weight, we measured the width, went through the whole 9 yards, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and let's wrap this up, okay? I'm gonna give you guys my final thoughts. So this is going to be an amazing case if, number one, you like clear cases. This is your jam. If you like the Neo 1 cases and having that, that circuitry print on the back, and also that texture, so it's a little gratifying with that when you kind of have it in the hand, this is gonna be the case for you. And for $19.99, $20, I don't think you can beat it. So guys, tell me in the comment section, looking at this, checking out the other videos for the Ultra Hybrid cases that I've done, are you gonna pick up one of those Ultra Hybrid cases? Are you gonna pick up the Rugged Armor? Are you gonna go with a different brand because you wanna spend a little more money? Let me know in the comment section, either way, what you thought about this video. It's your boy, Bobby G. Thank you guys for checking me out. Remember, if you wanna buy this, use my links, y'all. Come on, help me out. Really appreciate it. I'm out. Peace.